Alright, code warriors, ready to embark on a thrilling quest into the heart of JavaScript? Buckle up, because we're about to slay the dragon of variables and data types. Imagine your brain is a cluttered garage. Variables are like toolboxes. Let's clean up this mess and build something awesome. We're talking about JavaScript, not rocket science. 1. Variables. Variables are like magical containers. You can stuff anything in them, from your favorite pizza topping to your secret world domination plans. But remember, some containers are breakable, some are unbreakable, and some are just plain weird. Choose wisely. 2. Data types. Data types are like, you've got numbers, which are boring but necessary. Strings, which are like endless stories. Booleans, which is like an empty ice cream cone. And undefined, which is like forgetting to order ice cream altogether. Examples. First, grab your weapons. A code editor like Visual Studio Code. Download it. And a web browser like Chrome, download it. Create a new folder named JavaScript Tutorial on your computer. Open Visual Studio Code and open this folder. In Visual Studio Code, create a new file named script.html. Create the HTML page structure. Create two variables with strings. Then console.log the two variables and add them together. Install the Live Server extension in Visual Studio Code. Right-click on the script.js file and select Open with Live Server. This will open the file in your default web browser. Open the developer console in your browser, usually F12, to see the output. Then click Console. You should see the message, Code 101 has the power of solving code problems with a smile. Best practices, use descriptive variable names. Calling something like naming your kid thing. Be a good parent and give. So, your variables like proper names. Troubleshooting. If your code is broken,
probably just
take a
having
deep
a
pen
bad
and try
day.
to figure it
All
out.
else fails.
Just
Blame
kidding.
the cat,
Conclusion
blame
or the
the
dog, or the neighbor's kid.
Congratulations.
You've survived the perilous
Into the
journey.
land of variables and
You're
data
now
types.
officially a
Now go
JavaScript
forth
junior
and
wizard.
conquer the world.
Or at least build a basic
Remember,
website.
practice makes
And
perfect.
don't be afraid to experiment.
The world of coding awaits your creative genius.
Bonus tip. Don't forget to install extensions. And remember, the internet is your best friend. Sure to join the Code 100, like, subscribe,